Since you all have been struggling with recent instruction about authors of the 18th and 19th centuries, I have created a project that you will do in groups that will involve lots of technology and hopefully help you learn about authors of the 18th and 19th centuries. To begin this project, you will get into groups of 3 of your choice. Because I am allowing you to pick your own groups, I expect that you will be working and not talking about things that are not related to the course discussion. The first portion of this project will be to create a video that will be a digital story of the author that you have chosen from the list of approved authors on my desk. The digital story should be anywhere from 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes. It should include information about the author's life and death, their writing style, and their famous pieces of literature. Your video should be creative and include at least 3 pictures. In the emails I have created for this assignment, you will be able to find a script example for an example of a digital story about Edgar Allan Poe. Along with the script example, you will also find a rubric about the digital story project and what is expected to get an A+. The second portion of this project will include a presentation that you and your group create for your classmates to use as review for any future tests or assignments about 18th and 19th century authors. Your presentation should correlate with your video, and you should upload it to Padlet once you are completed with it, so that way your classmates can use it as reference. Be sure that you use your best work ethic and create the best work you can. It will help your classmates in the future. This is a study tool, so be sure that you are making it for studying. Just like your digital story video, your presentation tool should have the same information that is seen in your video. Although the images are not required in your presentation tool, they are appreciated and they might result in extra points. Be sure to look at the hyperlink I have included, seen here, that will show an example of a concept map and the rubric that is going to be used when grading your presentation tool. Here are some resources for your project that include information about authors and information about how to use certain programs like eMaze, Prezi, or a concept map. After you complete the project, there is an assessment waiting for you, which I will talk about in the next slide. You will complete a web quest that I have created that will feature information that you have learned from your classmates' digital stories and presentation tools. This web quest will feature a small portion of new information, including information about fairy tales, fables, religious works, and mythology. For information about any of these texts, you may click on any of the hyperlinks I have included, here, here, or here. If you cannot find information you need, always know that Google is your friend as well as our library inside of our school. Now you are ready to begin your assignment on 18th and 19th century literature. Good luck!